Hello guys, how you doing? Thank you very much for all your support in Easy Car Detailing channel. We got something really special today. It's 5.5 liter AMG SL. It's about 22 years old. So this beautiful heart you see inside an engine is gorgeous, absolutely fantastic. But why this car came to Easy Car Detailing? Because of the paintwork needs to be corrected. So last 4 days we're working on this vehicle and we're doing paint correction. I just left this triangle. You see the swells, miring, very deep scratches. Nothing been done for 22 years on this paintwork, so it's very dullish, very milky. And if we move to left, you see what we reach. It's about three-stage polishing. We was on this car constantly, inch by inch, everything been done. So even the front, if I can point it, front big results. It's far from perfect, but it's much, much better. And it's preserve and protect. If we move along, you see this gorgeous alloys been refurbished too. Absolutely fantastic and looking great again. And I left it a little bit in the back so you can see how the car looks like once they arrive to studio, and we remove all these defects. And you see on the left hand side, once it's done, it's beautiful metallic paint. So again, signature detail is include interior too. So what we're going to do, completely strip it down on this dirt, all this dirt, and do the steamer, leather conditioner, and will be beautiful once again. And the client going to Portugal after this, so I think he will enjoy the car and will be preserved. That's the main thing. Thank you very much guys, and see you with the next one. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hey guys, in terms of interior, what we're going to do, completely hoover everything, then we do wet and dry mat, steam. Steam, it's beautiful, will be beautiful for the seats because they are shiny, so anything from the human skin, food, smoking, and everything, we kill the bacteria completely. And then we do leather conditioners, obviously, but you would see it. I'm taking you through the process for the interior, so you would see before and after, and will look stunning and definitely preserve and protect and healthier for the client.
on taking tours. Find me out here on my own, but I'm in up with you home. You keep picking up the phone, still like we go to the stone. Till you blowing on my phone, keeping with sexual tones. When I wanna leave alone, till you blowing on my phone, keeping with sexual tones. When I wanna leave alone. They say that I'm on the road, maybe I just lost control. These nights keep on taking tolls. Find me out.
So guys, before we do leather conditioner with a brand new microfabric towel, feed the skin, what we have after the steam and fairly clean with the brushes, with the products, everything, sometimes we got leftover food. Obviously it's 22 years old, so what we need to do, toothpicks, and go inside, there's not many of them, but just gently twist. What's going to happen, we take everything off, actually from these dots, and once we do that, we feed it with the leather conditioners. In this case, wasn't many, so what we can do now, there's one more and one more. Put it on side, put the leather conditioner right now. Yeah, genuine, because haven't been treated with any leather conditioner long time ago. So anything cracks, just gently massage it in and let it conditioner work. Okay, and then we gently move inside, and obviously polish it off with a clean microfabric towel after, so it's not won't be shiny, but would be more dapper color.
Keep blowing up my phone, maybe I just lost control. These nights keep on taking tolls. On my own. They say that I'm on the road, lost control. These nights keep on taking tolls. Find me out here on my own. Keep blowing up my phone, lost control. These nights keep on taking tolls. On my own. You just take your time. Tell me I'm alright. Take me through your mind. Say I'm trying to fuck. I think that you're right. I still feel a thing when I look you in your eye. They say that on the road, maybe I just lost control. These nights keep on taking tolls. Find me out here on my own, but I'm in up with you home. You keep picking up the bone, still like we go to the stone. Till you blowing up my phone on the road. Maybe I just lost control. These nights keep on taking tolls. Find me out here on my own. Keep blowing up my phone. Maybe I just lost control. These nights keep on taking tolls. On my own. They say that I'm on the road, lost control. These nights keep on taking tolls. Find me out here on my own. Keep blowing up.
Well guys, we finished finally the SL500, 550, and worked super hard on this vehicle for the last 4 days. Interior preserve, protect, exterior preserve, protect. Ready to go to Portugal client in 2 days time. And if you like the video, please share, subscribe, hit that subscribe button, and see next video coming soon. So thank you very much for all your support. I like to say you have a great day, and see you with next one.